Hello from PlotSet. There are a few ways to contact us with your questions or other inquiries. Number 1, click on the message icon at the bottom of the page and type your message to talk to one of our experts on the team. Number 2, visit the Contact Us page. You can give us a call, email us, or send us a message via WhatsApp. Number 3, you can send us a message using this form. Whichever way you decide to contact us to ask a question or discuss an inquiry, we are here for you. Thank you for watching PlotSet.